What's going on, everybody? This is Coach Chris Back, the Wise Guy, right here on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe and smash that like button. In this video, we are going to show you how to calculate your cost per kilogram. Once you create a shipping plan and you've entered in the dimensions of your boxes, as you can see right here, I have 4 boxes that I'm shipping. Each box is separated with the dimensions on the left here and the weight in kilograms of each box for a total of 51.6 kilograms. The way your shipping rate is charged is it's charged billable weight, meaning each level that you reach has a specific billable weight rate. The first weight being, I believe, 25.5 kilograms. So you can ship up to that amount for a specific weight, and as it goes up. Now, to calculate your billable weight, you would take, let's pull up the calculator here, your billable weight, here it's 52.5 kilograms, 52.5, and divide that by your estimated shipping cost, which is $40.81. And this will give you a rough idea of exactly how much you're going to pay per kilogram when you're shipping inventory to Amazon. So in this case, I'm going to be paying $1.29 per kilogram when I'm shipping products to Amazon. So as long as you know the weight of the products that you're shipping, you'll be able to do the math a lot easier and know what the cost will be when you're shipping your stuff. Alright guys, thank you. Smash that like button, and I will see you in the next video.